Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12. This morning we have a lot of active stuff on the radar for this morning. This is snow and elevations above 3,000 feet. We'll go ahead and put all this into motion with Stormcast, and this is just a little tease because we have some very heavy rainfall that's going to arrive along the coastline by the time we get to 9 o'clock in the morning, and then eventually this is going to spread inland and provide some very heavy snowfall as well. So we stopped this right around 5 p.m. Still pretty widespread rain and snow, but it will get a little bit quieter into the evening. But then we have another round that's going to arrive from the north and from the northwest by the time we get to Friday morning, right around mid-morning. And then this will just be a continuous stream of some very heavy rain and snowfall, but especially up into the Cascade Ridgeline, which is why when I show you some of the snowfall estimates in a second, you're going to be very surprised at some of the totals I've put out up towards Chemult, but especially for Crater Lake. Here's some of the rainfall totals we're expecting through Friday night, or this would be the water totals technically. 2 inches up in the Cascades, 1 to 1.5 inch along the coast, and then we could maybe have upwards of 1 inch in the Illinois Valley if we're lucky. Definitely a lot less though for the Rogue Valley and in the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. And keep in mind that we'll have a lot more wet weather as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So this is not a complete picture, but just a pretty good indicator of how much we could have. Snow levels have started to trend just a little bit higher over the past couple of model runs. They'll be around 4,000 feet a little bit later today, and then around 4,500 feet by the time we get to Friday afternoon. Here's some of these snowfall projections. Again, this would be through Friday night, and we could get quite a bit of snow for our higher elevations. Diamond Lake, Crater Lake, Lake of the Woods, Mount Ashland, expecting multiple feet of snow through Friday night, which means that travel is going to be very dangerous on Willamette Pass, over Diamond Lake Junction, over Lake of the Woods. So please have the snow chains ready to go in. And travel's not just going to be dangerous because of just the snow. We'll also have some very fast wind gusts to go along with that, which means that we could have some whiteout conditions, expecting the peak wind gusts to rival 60 to 70 miles per hour for tomorrow. So just some very dangerous conditions out there. For today, widespread rain and snow, and the winds won't be nearly as fast as what we're going to see for tomorrow. And then for tonight, remember, we get a little bit of a lull in the action with Stormcast, but then we have that next round for Friday, several more rounds after that, more high impact winter weather we're expecting for Friday and Saturday. Then thankfully snow levels come up into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that should improve our roadways. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms looking likely for today and really beyond that. For Siskiyou County, at least for the Shasta Valley, we could have a rain-snow mix for today and tomorrow, and then it's likely just going to be rain starting on Saturday. For the basin, just snow for today. Snow levels are going to be they're going to be low enough for just snow, but then a wintry mix into Friday and Saturday, just rain starting on Sunday. For the Cascades, we're expecting multiple feet of snow, especially up in some of our highest terrain above 4,500 feet. And then for the Rogue Valley, we're just going to keep it as a cold rain for now, but a lot of it in the forecast.